Set up. Ready to go. Bike's ready. Slipping back in here. Shoes, tent, fuel bags, cooking stove, spare clothes, sleeping mats. Yeah. My bags. First timer. G'day guys, how's it going? Today's mission will be riding from Yass all the way down to Thredbo Diggings, taking the back road through Namadgi National Park and stop by Canberra, quick fuel stop. We are camping out in the mountains, and tomorrow we are attempting my first ever summit of Mt Kosciuszko, the tallest mountain in Australia. Let's get moving. Bike is fully loaded. The weather is like mint, and honestly this is the kind of ride I've been looking forward to for ages. Nothing beats that feeling. Heading off with no rush, full day of adventure ahead. A quick fuel stop here in Canberra before heading back into the remote stuff. Gotta keep both the bike and the rider fueled up, eh? Still able to wheelie. That was surprising. This is what it's all about right here. Dirt roads, fresh mountain air, and absolutely no traffic. These back roads through Namadgi are unreal. Every corner just keeps getting better. You ride out here and suddenly all stress from everyday life just disappears. Few mountains, eh? New tire. New retire. Does the job well. Already start sliding through it in the highway. Try this alright. Quick stop in Cooma, just down the local camp shop to get a Wagyu bolognese for tonight. After all the dirt roads, it was time to send it down the highway towards Jindabyne. Long roads, mountain views, and just the KLX just happily cruising along. The temperature started dropping hard once I get closer down to Snowy Mountain. You can just really feel you're getting deeper into alpine country. And we finally made it. Thredbo Diggings Campground. Such a sick spot tucked away in the mountains. Yeah, good, how are you? Is this one?
I reckon it's the best spot in the place.
Yeah. Actually, is there any more around here?
Or camping spots,
Yeah.
camping grounds.
Yeah.
This is...
I don't know. I don't even know where I booked. Like, which number I booked.
Yeah, what number?
Yeah.
This is number...
Yeah, that's alright. Camp setup, nothing fancy, just simple setup, a warm feet, good fire. Honestly, moments like this is what makes these trips worth it. One of the best part about traveling is literally randomly meeting good people along the way. Just complete strangers at the start of the night, and somehow it feels like you've known them for ages.
If you got the fire right, then you get to go on to the next quest. And it was like, that's what they meant by survival. My camp director, my camp scout leader was not your choice at all. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, everyone.
Hike up the Kosciuszko summit. Check this out. Fucking beauty. Yass skate park. I'm gonna take the chairlift all the way up. Make it easy for me. First timer. Alright, today's the big mission. First ever attempt to summit Mt Kosciuszko. I've wanted to do this for a long time, but I kind of cheated today. Used the chairlift, but it's alright. Who cares? The higher I climb, the crazier the views get. Photos honestly don't do the place justice. You just gotta see it yourself.
I think they call it a good day.
Okay.
First I say the mountains should...
Laying up here after the ride, the camping, the hike, honestly feels really unreal. Definitely one of those moments I remember for a very long time. There it is, Mt Kosciuszko, 2,228 meters above sea level. Tallest mountain in Australia, and my first ever summit, which is great.
Thank you.
go there. Go in through. Maybe that one. Beautiful bike! Yeah. And on my way home, I came across this absolute gorgeous Beta RR. Had to stop and admire it for a second, had to even ask the bike to rev him. This whole trip was exactly what I needed. Dirt roads, mountains, camping, good people, and a proper adventure from start to finish. If you made it this far, thanks heaps for coming along for the ride. More adventures coming soon, so make sure to stick around, and I'll catch you legends in the next one.